Very good morning, all the students of third standard. We are learning national festivals. This lesson we are learning, and from this page number 39 is going page number 39 from the national festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi. This point we are learning. We know Ganesh Chaturthi. Every year we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with a great joy and happiness. We welcome Lord Ganesha in our home, especially small childrens. They like this festival very much. Many hours they spend their time in front of Lord Ganesha. So Ganesh Chaturthi is a 10-day festival in honor of Lord Ganesha. Ganesh Chaturthi, this festival is of 10 days, and this festival we celebrate in order of Lord Ganesha. To praise Lord Ganesha, or in the honor of Lord Ganesha, we celebrate this festival. Idols of the Lord Ganesha are brought home, and to celebrate these festivals, idols of Lord Ganesha they brings in their home, set up in pandals, or idols of the Lord Ganesha they set up into the pandals in the tent pandal houses, and the celebrations go on with a great pomp and joy, or joy. And the celebrations is go on with a great joy, with a great happiness, excitements, pleasure, and joyties. Means same way we can call as a with a full of joy and happiness, with the excitement. Next point, Janmashtami. Janmashtami also we can call say that Sri Krishna Janmashtami, birthday of Lord Krishna. Everybody knows about Lord Krishna. Krishna Dahiyandi, Gopalakala, or also it is called as Govinda. So, Janmashtami is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Krishna. In Hindu religion, Janmashtami, this festival is celebrated the birthday to mark the birthday of Lord Krishna. People make human pyramids. People or the youth, boys, they make a human pyramid chain systems to break the pots filled with the butter and cream on the next day, called the Dahi Handi. This is a famous festival. Especially this festival is more famous in the western part of Maharashtra and metropolitan cities. On the occasion of the Dahi Handi, next day of Lord Krishna is there. What they do there? They On the next day of Lord Krishna's birthday, the Handi program is there. Human pyramid. They climb one upon one, and by making the human pyramid, they break the earthen pots, which is tied with the help of rope on the height. That earthen pot they break, and in that earthen pot there is a butter is there is a cream is there, these things are there, so they break that, and by breaking what they eat. So in this also competition is there, who will break more, means who will break that earthen pot. And mostly the earthen pot which was tied with the help of the rope, that pot was on the height, great height. If you'll go into the metropolitan city, then the height of it more than 30-40 feet height is there. So on that much great height they tied the pots, and by making the pyramids they try to break it. So next point, Mahashivratri. There is a special importance is there of Mahashivratri in Hindu religions. It is celebrated in the reverence to Lord Shiva. There, this day is celebrated in the reverence of or in remember Lord Shiva there, to please to make happy Lord Shiva or Mahadev. For that, this day is celebrated. People fast and pray throughout the day. On the occasion, on this day or on the Mahashivratri, people throughout the day they are on fast, and they make they enchant the name of Lord Shiva for their salvations, to get happiness in their life, and along with that end of our life we should get the place in a heaven to overcome ourselves uh, from the misery. For that they enchant the name of Lord Shiva there continuously. This situation is there on the Mahashivratri. So what is there? Fast is there. People fast and pray throughout the day and night to Lord Shiva for the salvations there. This situation is on the occasion of Mahashivratri. Next one on the page number 14, that is a Raksha Bandhan. This day or this festival is also special importance one in Hindu religions. So on this day, what is there? Sisters, she tied a Rakhi to her brother. This is one bond or relation between the brother and sister. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival that marks the love between brother and sisters. This festival marks between love between the brother and sister. There is a special relationship is there between the brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan is a mark of love. Raksha Bandhan is a mark of joy, happiness, uh, unity, oneness. So sisters she tie Rakhi or a silk thread on their brother's wrist to protect them from evil in return. So what is here? When sister she tied a Rakhi to her brother, in return of that she need the promise from her brother that her brother will always will protect her, and always he will support her, he will help her to come out from the bad things, evil things there's. At the time he will protect her, he will be friend there, he will lead there, he will guide and shows a good or correct path there. So in this way she tied Rakhi to her brother's wrist to protect them from the evil. In return, the brothers promised to protect their sisters and give them gift. And on this day, brother he will promise to her sister that always he will help her, and with along with the promise, he gives a gift. He uh, give them gifts there. Now, this full moon day is also celebrated as a Nariyal Purnima. This full moon day. So Raksha Bandhan is on the full moon day, and this day is also celebrated as a Narali Purnima. Some people offer coconut to the sea to appease Varuna, the sea god. And some of the people from our country, they what they do that they offer coconut to the sea there, to the god, to appease Varun Devata or god, sea god. To them they offer the coconut there. Like in this way, they celebrate the Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so remaining part we'll see tomorrow. Thank you very much.